today I'm going to show you how to do something that I get asked about all the time and something that I need when doing a mortgage for clients. But it's also something good that you should do at least once a year, and that's to review your credit report. We use Check My File because it gives a combined credit report, and it's completely free if you do cancel within 30 days. It's on checkmyfile.com. So I'm going to press the button up here. So here, all we need to do is to make a 30-day free trial, and we need to create our account. So it's very important here that you include your full name and details. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the form completely. And another thing that you need to do is enter your current postcode and address, and then also your credit card number. So make sure you have a credit card handy. So make sure you click I have read and accepted the terms and use of policy. And then we go ahead and click view your credit report now. So here it's saying, please wait while we are processing your request. So here, what we should do is add any previous addresses that you've lived in. Basically, you're going to need the last 7 years. Here it's saying verify your identity. You should do so by entering a credit card and credit card providers and loans that you've had previously, mobile phone providers, etc. We are preparing your multi-agency credit report. So now our multi-agency credit report is complete. We scroll down, and basically when you're at the bottom, so just click download report button. It's saying that it's generating the report. So now it's saying that it's been downloaded, and then it's going to give us our PDF and password. The password is usually your date of birth. So just go ahead and press the download button, and then we can enter the password and view the PDF. And once we've downloaded the report, all we need to do is press the cog in the top of the menu bar here, and we have the option here to get some assistance with the account. And we're going to find, I would like to manage my subscription. So this is in the subscription management area. I'm going to click on this now. Here we're going to click on access cancellation page. I'm going to say I've done what I needed to do. I needed it for a mortgage. Here it's asking if we want a deal, but actually I'm just going to press I prefer to cancel. And this will cancel your trial. Confirmation, your service has been canceled with and that's how you go ahead and download the report as well as cancel it if it's no longer needed. But as I said, credit report is something that you should look at regularly, at least once a year, and if you're being really ambitious, twice a year. So that's how you can produce a Check My File comprehensive multi-agency credit report and cancel it if you no longer need the service.
You know, many of them are sitting quite anxiously. Shall we wait until interest rates drop, or what should they do? Should they sit idle? What's the advice for first-time buyer?
That's a great question. So I have people ask me that question a lot, and one of the rules, and I know you ladies are super experienced in real estate, the best time to buy is now. Mm-hmm. The best time to buy is always now, dependent on your individual circumstances. Yep. So as a first-time buyer, look at where you are in your job situation. Look at where you are with your savings, mm-hmm. because there is no guarantee that interest rates will go down. Yes. And the way that the property market works, it's basic supply and demand. Yeah. So when they put the interest rates up, you have fewer people chasing properties, which means it becomes a buyer's market.
That's it.
But when they put the interest rate down, then everybody's chasing the same properties and you have more competition.
That's
so
it.
There is no right time except for the right time for you.
Exactly.
I really like that part. And I mean, Victoria and I, we have this all the time. I always say, you know, what is the economy? Your economy is basically the money you have in your pocket. And I'm really, really pleased that we're getting that message out, because that's one of our common questions. Oh, should we buy now where should we buy, and it's really down to the individual. So I'm glad that this is being highlighted. And typically now, especially, interest rates is like...
If you don't have a broker and you'd like to speak to someone, I'd love to talk to you. My name is Anthony Lindsay. My phone number will be in the description. And I've been in finance for over 30 years. I've done everything from wealth management to collection, so I know a thing or two.